Morning, everyone. Our group was very lucky because our group had several practical and exciting ideas to choose from. However, after much thought, we distilled it down to about 2 ideas. We used an RI table that we were exposed to on day 3 to quantify what the best choice would be, and we eventually chose Unimatch, a web-based questionnaire that would help you select from the most popular transfer institutions for engineering. The questionnaire would ask you about your preferences across several categories like budget, food quality, recreation, and so on, to help you make the optimal choice. Our research revealed that we were clearly not the first to do something like this. However, we noticed that while our competitors had the same fundamental idea, our method of retrieving data, reaching students, and our overall theme was different. So we thought we'd reinvent the wheel, and my teammates will speak briefly as to how we did that.
We recognize that choosing a university and exploring options is an exciting but stressful process. As a part of our front-end research, we found that the color green tends to calm anxiety and stress, which is why we chose green as our main theme. This was primarily designed using a web design platform that also allowed us to tinker with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS to add customizations to suit our website. We also wanted to make our website simplistic, because after all it's just a quiz, and we didn't want to complicate our layout. So let's see what happens when you click the button.
You're forwarded to a page where you're asked a few questions that can help the backend narrow their search, such as what type of engineering you're engaged in, or how social you are on a scale of 1 to 10, or what type of culture you like. We also use imagery so that the user can get a feel for what type of architecture or overall theme suits them best.
How we receive this information is by leveraging online communities on Reddit where, as you can see, for each respective school, there are thousands of members. We automate a post that asks about their culture, how they'd rank the social life at their college, or even their food quality. We send out a similar poll to all these communities, and a technology called PRAW extracts that data and sends it to our backend.
Our backend functions with conditionals much like the conditionals we use in Excel. This is a very rudimentary depiction of how our backend would make decisions, but for now, it serves the purpose. All universities are given a default score of 0. The backend code judges if we're on question 1, then surely the category pertains to budget. If we're on question 2, then the question pertains to food quality, and so on. After deciding the appropriate category, it assigns points to each university based on the information received by the PRAW web scraper we talked about earlier.
Our website would then present the optimal choice based on a pie chart. As you can see, our front-end team chose the pie chart to be different shades of green so that it fits into our aesthetic.
Instead of letting our website get lost on the internet, we decided to optimize our approach in regards to reaching students. As a hypothetical, our website would partner with NVCC so that there could be a Unimatch tablet that gives NVCC students direct access to our questionnaire. An important part of hosting a website is having an adequate amounts of passive funds to sustain it. Our research shows that NVCC has roughly 80,000 students, although we don't intend to cater to all of them. In the event we'd like to expand outside providing an option for engineers, we should be able to financially afford the bandwidth needed to do so. To that end, we generate funds by running censored ads on our website.